Right guys, today I'm going to pick in this ABUS 83/45. I'd like to say a big thank you to Frantic57744 who kindly got me the lock. It's a rekeyable cylinder, 5 pin. As you can see it works fine with the key retaining. There we go, picked. So, see if I can gut it. Let's get this end off. Tray. So in the first cylinder is a spool, second cylinder is a spool. See if I can get a bit of a better close up. Second one's a spool, third one's a spool, fourth one's a spool, the fifth one is a serrated pin. Let's see what the key pins. All the key pins are just regular. So thanks for watching. Rate the video, leave me comments.